I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour adventure. Today, I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful beaches in Argentina, Pinamar. So, fasten your seatbelts and join me on this relaxing beach walking tour. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting walking tours in different parts of the world.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Now let's begin our journey. As we arrive at Pinamar, we're greeted by the warm sunshine and the sound of waves crashing against the shore. The beach is surrounded by lush green forests, creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. As we walk along the shore, we can see people sunbathing, reading books, and taking a dip in the crystal clear waters. Pinamar Beach is known for its soft sand, and it feels great to walk barefoot along the beach. The beach stretch is for miles, and we can see the horizon as far as our eyes can see. The sound of waves and the sight of the endless ocean create a tranquil ambience that is perfect for relaxing and unwinding. As we continue our walk, we come across some small shops and cafes. These places offer a variety of foods, drinks, and souvenirs for tourists. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.